Hi, this is Hal Nixdorff from YV Ranch, located just outside of Calgary, Alberta, Canada. We have been testing our yearling bulls for residual feed intake using GrowSafe feed intake equipment at local research stations for 8 years. In 2018, we purchased our own feed intake system to ramp up our testing. Our goal is to test all of our replacement heifers as well as our bulls and some of our customers' cattle. While we have seen continuous reduction in feed to gain in our growing cattle, I believe the biggest benefit of selecting for residual feed intake is efficiency in our mama cows. Here in Calgary and across Western Canada, we only have 130 frost-free days. That means 230 days of frost, 230 days that crops won't grow, and 230 days that we have to rely on stockpiled forages, stored feeds, and byproducts in our winter feeding systems. In the past couple decades, Western Canadian beef producers have done a great job of reducing winter feed costs through management practices. However, by selecting for more efficient mama cows, we can drive the cost even lower, without impacting growth, fertility, or longevity, producing a more cost-effective cow. It is neat to see the continuous advancements in GrowSafe's technology. It's allowing for shorter trial periods and more accurate data collection. Our customers have been adding GrowSafe's crossbreed RFID through their selection indexes, allowing for quick comparisons of animals between breeds. Selecting for efficiency also has an impact on methane production and overall sustainability. I believe this is a great sustainability story that both producers and consumers can stand behind. Feel free to reach out to me if you're interested in learning more about our feed efficiency driven program.